Yes, the 28 will count. Hey everybody, dubs88 back here again. I had a little bit of a technical error, so I'm just going to do a brief recap on everything here. So this is our list of winning bidders. Just very briefly there. As you can see, 2 5+ teams winning bidders. We had Erin and Arno M2. For Erin, I gave her a debut Threads of Matthias Tedenby. And for Arno M2, we got a Ryan Callahan Rangers card from Certified. So those are the 5+. For the no-hit bonus cards, we had a Tyler Ennis and a authentic Drew Van Riemsdyk authentic fabric. So that'll go to the teams that don't get a hit during the regular break. Our roulette board, we had a 35 green, 28 orange, 27 green, 22 orange, 21 green, 16 green, 14 green, 9 orange, 4 green, and 0 and 00. So if at any time during the break we spin one of those numbers, we'll give away the associated card, and if both are spun, we'll give away the higher chip value of the two. The green chip is a Phenoms Limited of Peter Holland, and the orange chip is a Aaron Pelushaj Prime Namesakes from Panini Prime. We were just giving away a free team, a refund, and I spun a 28, meaning that we will be giving away the Pelushaj at the end of the break. And to see who is getting the refund for the break, it is going to be the Anaheim Ducks. So the Anaheim Ducks is Fat Paulie. So Paulie will be getting the refund, and I will refund that to him at a later time. So just carrying on here, the serial number for the box, we have a 181149722. So here we go, and let's pull some magic. So we got 5 packs, empty box. Just do the shuffle. All right, good luck, everybody. All right, so first pack. Up front, Corey Perry base card for the Anaheim Ducks, followed by a rookie card for the Colorado Avalanche. It is Stephen Elliott, numbered 31 out of 49. And that one is going to DJ and Ella's mom. So for Aaron, for getting the first strike, I will be including a pack of 12-13 OPG. And I will just write your name on here one-handed. Aaron. So that one is for you, for getting the first strike in the break. Oh, and we got a jersey card behind here too. So behind there we got Nikolai Habibulin and the Oilers. And our jersey die cut card is the Colorado Avalanche again. It is Gabriel Landeskog, numbered 69 out of 100. So that one back-to-back going to Aaron. So congratulations. Those are a nice pair of hits. So a really sweet pack to start us off, that's for sure. See what the rest of these packs can give us. All right, we got Henrik Sedin for the Vancouver Canucks, and Andre Pavlik for the Jets, followed by a game-worn gear of Tyler Myers for the Buffalo Sabres and Arno M2. And to finish that pack off, Mika Kiprusoff for the Calgary Flames. Third pack. There were two Avs cards. The first one was a rookie of Stephen Elliott, and the second was one of the jersey die cuts of Landeskog. So the next pack is Zetterberg for the Wings up top. Followed by Cam Ward for the Hurricanes. We've got another Sabres game-worn gear. That one is Paul Gaustad for the Buffalo Sabres, and Aaron M2 again. So back-to-back Sabres hits. And Evander Kane for the Jets. Pack number 4. Kovalchuk for the Devils up top. Stefan Weiss for the Panthers. Then we've got a 4-star, little bent, but the 4-star we'll get to in a second. Just ending off that pack, Johnny Efblom Taves for the Blackhawks. And the 4-star, it is a 4-star jersey with Derek Dorsett and Chris Neal, Steve Ott, and Brandon Prust for the Jackets, Senators, Stars, and Rangers, respectively. So we'll bring out the 643boxbreaks.com sudden death card. On the back, from a previous time, we've got the numbers here. Top left is numbers 1 to 9. Top right, 10 to 18. The bottom left, 19 to 27. And the bottom right, 28 to 36. So we're going to spin the wheel, and we'll see which one of these teams is going to be taking that one home. So we got number 9. So the number 9 is top left, which means it's going to the Columbus Blue Jackets with Derek Dorsett, and the Jackets were owned by Tom Shepker. Congratulations, Tom. That one will be heading to you. Compliments of the 643boxbreaks.com sudden death card. And the last pack. Looks like we got a Mega Spacer in there. Spezza for the Senators. We got a Ruby base card parallel of Jason Pominville for the Sabres. That one's numbered 50 out of 99. Oh, I never showed the serial number on this one. It's numbered 1 out of 75. So Ruby base card for Pominville for the Sabres. Then we've got a Titanium Reserve of Cody Hodgson. So another nice hit from this box. Cody Hodgson, Titanium Reserve for the Vancouver Canucks. And Arenado M2. So that's a nice one also. So congratulations. Yeah, very nice box. Spacer. And to close us off, Louis Eriksson and the Dallas Stars. So that is the regular portion of the box. So now we're going to take a look at the prize board, see what we can get. So we will spin the wheel, and we'll take a look at what kind of a prize we'll be giving away today. Looks like we're going to go for a spin. And that one's going to rest on the number, that one's more on 20, so we will take 20. So number 20 is going to be it is a 11-12 Prime Rookies of Jan Sauvé. So that is going to be this card. So from Panini Prime, Jan Sauvé quad jersey. And that one is numbered 62 out of 199. So we'll spin the wheel one more time to see which one of you guys is going to be picking that one up. And that is going to be 11. Number 11. So the team taking that one home is going to be the Colorado Avalanche. Colorado cleaning house today. So Aaron will be taking home the Jan Sauvé. Sauvé to Colorado. All right, short straw time. So this is what we were playing for from the beginning. We got the Authentic Fabrics duel of Giroux and Van Riemsdyk, and the Tyler Ennis Authentic Fabrics. So we will take a look over here at the bottom. Those are all the teams that got hits during the break. So we'll just shove the 4 of them off to the side. The rest of the teams, we'll put those into here. And we'll shake that around. So the first chip will be for the Tyler Ennis, and the second chip will be for the Giroux Van Riemsdyk. So first chip is the Florida Panthers and Air Now M2. So he'll be taking home the Ennis, and the Giroux and Van Riemsdyk will be going to the Ottawa Senators, which is also Air Now M2. So making the sweep there. Okay, and I stopped keeping track at the beginning, but our first number spun was 28. And 28 is an orange chip. So we will be giving away the Peluchage. So we will spin the wheel one last time and reveal what team is going to be taking that one. And that is number 15. So number 15. And the Montreal Canadiens, Aaron Peluchage, prime namesakes, numbered 47 out of 75, is going to the New York Rangers, and that one is Aaron, DJ and Ella's mom. So that one will be heading your way. That one's to Rangers. All right, and to close off this little segment, we will bring out the bingo cage, and we'll take a look at the bingo board. So here's where we're sitting. Board 1, 17, 21, 41, 59, and 63 to blackout. Board number 2, 42 and 67 to blackout. We'll be choosing 6 marbles, which is a little less than half of what's left. So we'll shuffle these around, and we'll see what happens. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. First marble. 063. 063 gives us a spot on board 1. Next marble. G59. G59 gives us a spot on board 1. Next marble. G54. G54 is on neither board. So that is our first strike. Next marble. G56. G56 gives us neither. Board 1 is officially out of it for this break. There's no way we can black out that one, and there's a chance, there's still a shot at the contenders. Next marble. Frick. B10. B10 is not on either. So board 2 is out of contention for this break as well. And the last marble is 067. Come on. 067. And 067 gives us another spot on board 2. So that is where we're sitting right now. 3 spots left on board 1 and 1 spot left on board 2. So it'll carry over to our next break, and we will choose the rest of the marbles, and we'll see which box is going to be opened. So that is titanium for the day, and I hope to see you again next week.